how to create an ITVX account. So if you want to create an ITVX account, then first of all, you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'll be here with Chrome browser, and simply tap on the search bar and then search for itvx.com, and it will directly take you to the web page or the website. And after opening the website, now you can go for the upper right corner, which has that account icon. Click on that, and here you can sign into your account or you can register to your account. So here we are creating account, right? So if you have already created an account, then it will tell you that you have created your account with this email address. So you can log into your account. But if you have not created, then simply enter your email address here, and after entering, click on continue. So here I have not created my account. So if you have not created your account, then it will give you this kind of interface in which you have to create a password. So simply create a password, create a strong password. And if you want to receive emails about the ITVX and other ITV products, services, offers, and experiences, then you can click on this and then enter a password. And after entering, now you can simply click on next. And now you have to set up your profile. So you have to enter your name with your title, and then you have to enter your last name also, and then click on next. And you have to enter your date of birth, like your day, and then month and the year, and then click on next. And now you have to enter your postcode. And after entering your postcode, you can simply click on next. So that's it. Now you have to verify your email. So they have sent an email to the email address which you have entered to create your account. So you have to go to your inbox and you have to verify your email address. So open up your mail. And here you will have the mail, so you can simply click on verify your email now and continue. So that's it. That's how you create your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.